In the business world, success hinges on more than just the products you offer, it's about the people who represent your brand. Welcome to the Master Trainer Workshop, where we transform knowledge into actionable skills that drive excellence. Educating and retaining frontline staff is not just important, it's essential. This workshop focuses on turning knowledge into skills and mastering the art of transferring that knowledge effectively. On day one, we dive deep into understanding generational communications, mastering glass cleaning techniques, and learning restroom decontamination skills. Mike Ward, author of Who Swings Your Mop, joins the class and focuses on recognizing the different personalities of your staff and how to motivate them. Day two is all about gaining knowledge and skills for the care of stone and learning the whys before implementing the skills. Before we finish day two, it is all about our attention to detail that sets us apart. Start by changing the first step: deep dry extraction without chemistry. Luxury vinyl floor care and VCT maintenance take center stage on day three. From daily care to removing old issues, make sure your team is equipped to handle any surface with professionalism and skill. Mickey Anderson, with 90-day campaigns, joins us before the end of day three to talk about all things marketing. The last day is dedicated to mastering the business side of operations, learning the intricacies of bidding on professional cleaning jobs, and we heard from Rocky Lavani from Profit Comes First. At the end of it all, you must have a wow statement, one that is unforgettable. Getting to the power of wow will give you the outline to craft that statement.
Hi, my name is Carlos Espinosa. I'm the CEO of KMP Facility Maintenance in New York. I'm here in Orlando, Florida. This is our fourth day of the Master Training class. We are blessed and thankful to have a coach with a lot of experience, Mr. Dave, who's been sharing with us all these 4 days his experiences, and the most important part, to make it understand that all we do, it has to be for the safe and healthy of our frontliners.
How you doing? My name is Giancarlo Espinoza. Just finished the course at Academy of Cleaning Excellence, and my professor was Dave. I would recommend definitely taking this course. Me personally, I don't do very well in classes. I don't pick up things. I don't learn very good, but Dave made it very easy for me, made me pick everything up easily with no trouble, nothing. Great guy, funny guy, and he wants the best for you, for sure. Great course, learned a lot, and definitely recommend it.
This is more than a skills class. It's a comprehensive course on imparting knowledge and garnering retention. Invest in your team's success with the Master Trainer Workshop. Use this coupon code to get a 15% discount through the end of the year, Master 2024. Register today, as there are only 10 seats available per session.